Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers in Islam, let me tell you how to date a Muslimah sister in Islam. Do you know that all our scholars in Islam have permitted us that we can go and meet a Muslimah sister on behalf of ourselves? Is that funny? MashaAllah, it's quite funny. But do you know that whenever a lady that you want to date in Islam, please don't let your dating exceed 6 months or a year, please. For you to avoid committing zina with that lady. So whenever a lady that you want to date in Islam, since they have permitted you to date a lady in Islam, please don't let your dating to exceed a year. And you also, my sister, don't never allow any brother to touch you during your dating. Please follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Assalamu alaikum.